Samsung dishwasher acting up? Samsung makes solid dishwashers overall, but they do have some recurring issues. Here's what I see most often. Number 1, not draining. This is the most common Samsung dishwasher complaint. Check the drain filter first. It's at the bottom of the tub. Twist and pull it out. Clean it thoroughly. If it's clear and still not draining, the drain pump or drain solenoid needs replacing. 150 to 250. Number 2, flashing error codes. Samsung dishwashers communicate through blinking lights or digital codes. LC means leak detected. Check under the machine for moisture. 4E means water supply problem. 5E means drain problem. He means heater error, the water isn't reaching the right temperature. Number 3, dishes not drying. Samsung dishwashers use condensation drying, not a heating element like older machines. That means they rely on the hot rinse water evaporating off the dishes. Using RinseAid is essential. Fill the RinseAid dispenser fully. Also, unload the bottom rack first so water from the top rack doesn't drip onto dry bottom rack dishes. Number 4, touchpad stops responding. Samsung electronic controls can fail, especially on models that get steam exposure from the dishwasher vent. Control panel replacement runs $200 to $400. The good news about Samsung dishwashers, they're quieter than most competitors and generally well built. Parts availability is good. Samsung dishwasher repair. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.